National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a flash flood warning for San Bernardino County in Southern California until 6 p.m. At 2:58 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding will likely begin shortly. Some locations that will likely experience flooding include Big Bear City, Lake Arrowhead, Big Bear Lake, Running Springs, Seven Oaks, Skyforest, Hui 18 between Baldwin Lake and Lucerne Valley, Cedar Glen, Foskin, Green Valley Lake and Barton Flats Campground. These are the 2 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time observations for Inland Empire area. At the Riverside Airport, smoke was reported. Temperature was 130 degrees, dew point 56, and the relative humidity 21%, producing a heat index of 102. Wind was west at 9 miles an hour.